Can you solve this? Solution. There are two methods to solve this question. Method number 1. Root 120 plus root 100 divided by root 120 minus root 100. We can write 120 as 4 into 30 plus, as we know that 100 is the square of 10, so we can write this 10 square divided by, same case here, 4 into 30 minus 10 square. Separate the square root on root 4 and root 30, same case, plus square and root are cut down, 10 divided by, same case here, root 4 into root 30 minus square and root are cut down, 10. As we know that 4 is the square of 2, so we can write 2 square into 30 plus 10 divided by, same case here, 2 square into 30 minus 10, square and root are cut down, 2 into root 30 plus 10 divided by 2 into root 30 minus 10. Dear student, we take 2 root 30 plus 2 as a common number, root 30 plus 5 is remaining, same case, denominator 2 common, root 30 minus 5, 2 and 2 are cut down, root 30 plus 5, root 30 and minus 5 are remaining. Now rationalize the denominator. So for rationalization, root 30 plus 5 root 30 minus 5, we multiply and divide both sides by root 30 plus 5. Multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator to the denominator. So root 30 plus 5 root 30 plus 5 divided by root 30 minus 5 and root 30 minus 5. A into A is equal to A square, and A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So we can write this as root 30 plus 5 whole square divided by root 30 square minus 5 square. This is the first formula, as A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So we can write this as root 30 square plus 5 square plus 2 into root 30 into 5 all divided by, square and root are cut down, 30 minus 5, the square of 5 is 25, square and root are cut down, 30 plus 5 5s are 25 plus 2 5s are 10 and root 30 minus 25 is equal to 5. So 30 plus 25, 55 plus 10 on root 30 divided by 5. 55 by 5 plus 10 under root 30 by 5. 5 11s are 55. 11 plus 5 1 is 5. 5 2s are 10. 11 plus 2 under root 30 is the answer of by first method. Now we use second method. Now we use second method to solve this. Rationalize the denominator. So 120 plus under root 100 divided by 120 under the root minus 100 multiplied by, so rationalize we multiplying divided by under root 120 plus under root 100 divided by under root 120 plus root 100. Multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So 120 plus under root 100 into under root 120 plus under root 100 divided by under root 120 minus under root 100 into under root 120 plus under root 100. Here a into a is equal to a square and a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. We use this to solve this. 120 plus under root 100 all square divided by under root 120 square minus under root 100 square. This is the first algebraic formula, which is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write this as 120 square plus under root 100 square plus 2 into under root 120 into under the root 100 divided by square and root are cut down. 120 minus 100 square and root are cut down. 120 plus 100 plus 2 into, we can write this as 4 into 30 and this is the square root of 10 or divided by 20. Here is 220 plus 2 into under root 4 into under root 30 into 10 square divided by 20. 220 plus 2, the square and root are cut down, so 2 under root 30 square and root are cut down. 10 divided by 20. 220 plus 2 to are 4, 4 10s are 40 under root 30 by 20. 220 divided by 20 plus 40 under root 30 by 20. 21 is 20, 20 11s are 220, 21 is 20, 22s are, so 11 plus 2 under root 30 is the our required answer. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.